the slide? No.
Oh, I'm going to start at the beginning. Okay, so we're recording now. Let me share my screen. Oh, not share. Sorry. I don't know what I'm thinking. Okay, let me go back to the beginning. Sorry. This makes you dizzy. Okay, so we'll start on this one. So Holly, feel free to take it away.
Good day, everyone. My name is Holly Thrash. I am the Senior Early College Coordinator for one of the 7 city colleges. I currently am working at Olive-Harvey College, located on the southeast side of Chicago, 101 South Woodlawn Avenue. And I'm going to share some insight with you regarding our campus here at Olive-Harvey College. So I am the Senior Early College Coordinator. My number is listed on the screen, along with my email address, and my assistant, the Early College Advisor, would be Lavetta Houston, which is our academic advisor, who will speak to you momentarily. But next on the line for us to talk today will be Dean Victor Sanchez. Take it away.
Good day, all. My name is Victor Sanchez, Associate Dean of Career Programs and Continuing Education here at Olive-Harvey. Thank you, Holly. In front of you, you see the courses that are offered through our Basic Certificate in Automotive Technology here at Olive-Harvey. The Basic Certificate in its base provides an opportunity for students to learn about a variety of professional tools and equipment such as automobile scanners and multimeters utilized by industry professionals in automotive shops. You learn as a student how to diagnose automotive issues and recommend repairs to enter the automobile repair and service field. As you can see, the courses Auto Tech 101, 103, 104, 109, and 209 are required to complete the basic certificate. 103 through 209, as you see, require successful completion of Automobile Technology 101, which you can take here with Olive-Harvey College. The credential, if you decide to complete the basic certificate, is stackable, so you can move forward with an advanced certificate and possibly an associate in applied science degree here at Olive-Harvey. Introducing our dean.
Hi, I'm Cheryl Freeman Smith. I am the dean over all of the transportation, distribution, and logistics programming. And as Victor mentioned, our auto technology program is wonderful. We've got plenty of opportunities for your continued education. You complete the basic certificate through Jumpstart to Jobs, and most folks are definitely getting employment within weeks of completing the basic certificate. So after 5 courses, you will be able to become an auto technician, but our programs are stacked. So that means you would receive the basic certificate first with the first 5 classes. You could be working part-time and then continue your education for an advanced certificate. And last but not least, the associate's degree. Now, the reason being, if you wanted to complete your education, there may be opportunities that you'd like to step into in the future. So with the basic certificate, you would be able to work hands-on. But with the advanced and the associate's degree, now you have an opportunity to move into management. Next page, please. Auto Tech at Olive-Harvey College is a 2-year program because it's 5 semesters. You take 1 course at a time, which could be 2 to 4 classes per week. We try to make our auto classes a shorter period of time of 8 weeks. By it being 8 weeks, each class is a little bit longer, about 3 to 4 hours. And that gives you time to take things apart, learn what it is, what it should do, and then put it back together. So that gives you plenty of time to do all of that. So leveraging this pathway for entry-level career opportunities, you could become an automotive master mechanic, which means repairing automobiles and buses. Master mechanic, repair virtually any part on the vehicle specialized in the transmission system. And also the auto specialty technician, repair only one system at a time. Maybe it's brakes or suspension or radiator, but that's what the basic certificate will allow you to do. Jumpstart Pathway and Aviation Maintenance Technician. We are very excited about this program because it just launched this September, and we currently have 12 wonderful students completing this program. We prepare students to acquire the foundational knowledge and learn mathematics, physics, tool usage, maintenance operations, and it's all through the FAA system. We've partnered with the Aviation Institute of Maintenance, and that organization is where you would continue your education once you complete the 4 classes and possibly 5 with Olive-Harvey at no cost through the Jumpstart to Jobs programming. We're very excited about that. And then you will continue your education at AIM for the last 12 courses. But these 4 courses lead you on a pathway that once you complete the total of 17 courses between Olive-Harvey and the Aviation Institute of Maintenance, you're making over $72,000 a year. The opportunity to also receive an associate's degree and continued education with our partnership with SIU to receive a bachelor's degree. So we're introducing you to the theory and basic skills needed to assist aircraft sheet metal mechanics, as well as working on the engines directly. And this is an opportunity that can allow you, if you choose not to work with your hands, to become an inspector, to become part of the investigative teams, to see how the engines are working, also working with the engineers to learn how to best install the engines and what machines and materials work best. All of these things can become opportunities for you once you receive that AMP certification to become an aviation maintenance tech. Auto Tech, Olive-Harvey, we mentioned that again, it's a 2-year course. And for aircraft mechanics, service technicians, you're diagnosing, adjusting, repairing, and overhaul aircraft engines and assemblies. So I believe this should say aviation technology. But aircraft mechanics, they diagnose, they adjust and repair, they overhaul aircraft engines and assemblies, working with hydraulic and pneumatic systems, including helicopters and aircraft engine specialists. So the opportunities are great in the aviation industry. Jumpstart to Jobs for Diesel Technology. I'd like to introduce this one because it's really working on engines like you would for auto technology, except the engines are supersized. They're diesel engines, the engines that you would see in a truck or a bus. So they're taking classes. Everyone has to learn the basics of the math of how the engines run. So once you understand that, it's Math for Technicians is one of the courses, and then 5 additional hands-on courses to learn what a diesel engine is and how it works, the electrical systems, the construction of the engine, as well as suspension and steering. Once those 6 courses are completed, basic certificate, most organizations have an entry-level apprenticeship opportunity, and the starting pay is anywhere from $20 to $30 an hour. And once you've completed your time within 6 months to a year, you're getting raises every 6 months. So definitely an opportunity of growth. If you hear all the time that there are trucks that are driving across the country and they always need CDL drivers to drive those trucks, well, they really need diesel technicians because without them, the trucks will not run. And this is one of those careers that I say, if you're an auto tech, aviation tech, or diesel tech, these jobs are not being taken over by machines. They may have more technology involved with it, but a human has to do this job. So it's one of those opportunities that once you get trained, there's definitely growth and you'll have continued work. Again, here, our Diesel Tech Advanced Certificate provides students in the training needs. So it's the starting process of you get the basic certificate, you can go into the apprenticeship program with many companies such as Waste Management, CTA, and many, many others. But once you receive that advanced certificate or even the degree, it allows you to move into management. So as you get older, you may not want to stand and work on the vehicles. You may want to tell others how to do it, or you want to get the engines to a point where you can help design them at some point. So these are opportunities that are really exciting. There's a very, very lucrative opportunity. Ultimately, once you pass all of the apprenticeship stages, you're making over $45 an hour, and with endless opportunities of growth, most of those folks are making over 6 figures a year. It's a 2-year path because there are classes that you have to take one course at a time for 6 semesters. And all of our technology opportunities to complete and fix vehicles are all hands-on and in person. And so ultimately, the basic certificate in diesel technology will prepare students to become a repair technician. You're going to be able to diagnose the engines, the suspension, steering, brakes, electrical, and electronic systems. Those individuals will be able to fix buses, trucks, and also become a special diesel engine specialist to come to the vehicles to complete and fix them as needed. Jumpstart to Jobs in our supply chain and logistics area, providing students with introductory information and understanding of the transportation, distribution, and logistics industry. I always say it's the business degree for the transportation industry. This is the only industry that grew by over 300% within the pandemic time. And so you hear the term now, oh, you can't get this car, this part, because the supply chain is broken. We go into a deep dive of what that really means. We have intro to transportation, intro to business logistics, customer service, warehouse management, as well as purchasing. All of these courses will lead to a basic certificate and an entry-level position in the supply chain industry. Our goal is to ultimately get you to complete the degree, and by so doing, you have the opportunity to transfer to Chicago State University, Governor State University, University of Illinois, Champaign-Urbana, Northern Illinois University, and these are all schools that we are partnered with our degree program. Some of them may actually say supply chain, others may actually say business degree, but the certifications and the opportunities are endless as you transition to receive that 4-year education. So again, as I mentioned before, we are stackable, we get the advanced certificate, and we get the associate's degree to be able to move up into the industry. Supply chain is taught as a 1-year program with 3 semesters to complete the basic certificate, late afternoon and early evening and Saturday options, or in-person hybrid remote live online courses, or a 2-year program where it's 5 semesters and you take 1 course at a time. So the option is either taking 2 courses at a time or taking 1 course at a time allows you to either complete in 1 year or 2 years. Olive-Harvey has partnered with, of course, our industry leaders on our curriculum and work-based learning experiences. And because of those relationships, we're making sure that our students complete the program with state-of-the-art education, understanding the industry, and being able to grow very quickly. We've partnered with PepsiCo and all of these companies listed for over 8 years. And every year, Quaker Oats has hired an apprentice to start working for PepsiCo, Quaker Oats in their supply chain area. So the opportunity of growth is real and the need is real. Laborers and freight stock, material movers, those are all the entry-level positions. And then you'll get a chance to move up into inventory control and logistics associates positions for third-party logistics as well. So our pathway in criminal justice is a public police service opportunity. So there are 5 classes listed here: Criminal Justice 102, Administration of Criminal Justice, Juvenile Justice, Issues in Criminal Justice, Intro to Investigation and Criminal Law and Procedure. These are great courses for those who think they may want to go into law enforcement and or become a lawyer or work in politics. So these are all very, very good opportunities for our students. And again, the basic certificate would allow for all 5 of these classes to be taken through Jumpstart to Jobs. We've got, as mentioned before, you can earn an arts degree and build in the Certificate of Child Development or Preschool Education and transfer to a 4-year institution. These are all ways that people have done this in the past to make sure that they are able to connect to real world opportunities. We want people to be able to complete the advanced certificate and the associate's degree. And we have one in applied science, and we have also one as an associate's of arts degree program with a concentration in criminal justice. All of these would allow you to transfer into a 4-year university and we have one listed here, Western Illinois University. And through that partnership, we're allowing our students to connect early and being able to complete their degree, having the opportunity to transfer and do great things in the criminal justice arena. Again, it can be taken as a one-year program for 3 semesters, which means you would take 2 courses at a time, or it can be taught as a 2-year program where over the 5 semesters, you're taking 1 course at a time. We want you to be able to take it and be able to grow and do your very best. You know your scheduling, so we want to be wise in how we set those classes up for you. We again have them in late afternoon and early evening, as well as Saturdays, in person, remote, live, online, asynchronous. All of that just means that you can take it online, and there are different ways to do that. But our first line supervisors of police and detectives are those who have completed our associate's degree, as well as supervisors of correctional officers. We directly supervise and coordinate activities of correctional officers and jailers. That's what that position would be able to be received by a student that completes the criminal justice associate's degree.
Okay, that went really well. Flowed really good. I thought you did wonderful.
I'm like, okay, I didn't plan on doing criminal justice, but
hey, I thought you did great. I'm going to stop it because honestly, that was perfect. I didn't see anything wrong.